Hi, so let me show you something. Today there was rain and rain occurred, and you can see that thing. Okay, the raindrops, the water. So it fallen suddenly, and I didn't. And thankfully, I didn't wake up at 2 a.m. because that was disaster for me. And yes, so I've done it, and yes, so mm, that's what I like. So, oh no, how many days I will do this, do like this, do everything. What will be the end of the objects? What will be the end of the projects? I don't know. So, so me